If you ever feel like you're not yourself lately, that's actually true. You're not. Because scientifically speaking, half of you isn't even you. I don't mean in the philosophical, who am I kind of way. I mean literally, biologically. Roughly 50% of the cells associated with your body don't have your DNA. They belong to bacteria, fungi, and archaea. Now, that might sound horrifying, like your body's basically a shared apartment with busted plumbing. But these tiny tenants are actually the reason you're alive. Your gut bacteria alone help digest food, produce vitamins, and determine whether you'll be a morning person or a blame society person. If you were to somehow remove every human cell and only keep your microbes, you'd still weigh about half kilogram, which means there's a small chance the heaviest thing about you isn't your emotions. Scientists call this entire microscopic ecosystem your microbiome, which is basically a polite way of saying biological soup that drives your cravings. Because believe it or not, your bacteria can manipulate you. For example, the microbes in your gut can send chemical signals to your brain saying, hey, we'd love some sugar right now. And instead of questioning that, you just eat a cupcake like a puppet on a string. So if you've ever wondered why you crave junk food, even though you just ate, that's not you. That's your internal bacteria union lobbying for donuts. What's even weirder is that this partnership isn't optional. Kill too many of your microbes, like through excessive antibiotics or dating people who sell detox tea, and your health collapses. Your immune system panics, your digestion tanks, and suddenly you're Googling, can probiotics fix my personality? It's honestly beautiful in a terrifying way. The human body isn't one organism. It's a democratic coalition of trillions of microscopic citizens, half of whom can overthrow the government at any time. There's even evidence these microbes affect your mood. Some researchers call the gut the second brain, which sounds poetic until you realize it means your intestines are technically part of your decision-making process. So, next time you text your ex at 2 a.m., it might not be your fault, just your bacteria trying to relive a past trauma. So yeah, turns out you are basically a rideshare for bacteria. They handle digestion, mood, cravings. Honestly, they're running the show while you think you're in charge. But maybe that's not depressing. Maybe it's kind of freeing. Because if half your body is outsourced to microbes, then whatever mess you're in right now isn't entirely your fault. It's a group project.